Hello all. Today we will be discussing LeetCode daily question. So the problem is maximum level sum of a binary tree. So in this problem statement they mentioned that we will be given a root of the binary tree and we need to assume that the level starts from 1, like the root of the binary tree level is 1. So it will goes like if the root children are level 2 and their children are level 3, like that. So we need to return the smallest level x such that the sum of all the values of nodes at level x is maximum. So this is a problem statement they have given. So I'll explain the clear process of it using example. So for now, you just keep in mind this is a problem statement they have given. So I took this exact example and I'll explain on the board with the same. So this is the this is the problem example. So let's take this uh, tree, binary tree, which is 1707 as level 1, and this as level 2, and this as level 3. And if there are some nodes, then we can consider and increase n nth level. Okay, these are the levels. So if you know little knowledge about trees, then this problem might be easy for you. If you don't know trees, then this might make you trouble. So for now, let's keep that aside and let's try to build an approach such that we can solve this problem. Okay. So as per their rule, this is a level 1, this is level 2, and this is level 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So what they are asking us to give is we need to return something that is the level level order nodes sum is maximum. Let's write that level nodes sum is max. So we need to maximize the level nodes sum. So for that purpose, you can ideally think of some logic like if you count the sum of level nodes, then you will generally notice the maximum sum among all these levels. But the real problem starts with how can I do this level order? So how can I traverse this tree level by level? So that is the main uh, trouble for this problem that makes if we solve this, then I think the problem is solved because you know how to count the sum of nodes, right? So for that purpose, let's try to implement something which will makes our level order. So if you had some knowledge about tree traversals, then you must heard about level order traversal, right? So if you know level order traversal how to do, then applying some logic like you need to store and return the level number such that the sum is maximized. So that you can do on the go. So but before that, you if you know how this level order process traversal will be there, then that will make you this problem as a cakewalk for you. So for that purpose, let's try to get back to level order process. How we will do level order process. Level order traversal. So what is this? This level order traversal is nothing but I will traverse the tree level by level. First level, second level, third level. So I will traverse level by level, such that I will make sure that I will visit all the nodes from root node to last leaf nodes. So for that purpose, in this case, this level order uses is a data structure called queue. It will use a data structure called queue. Why queue? So if you know about queue, it is something like first in, first out. So it will follow FIFO mechanism. So here we need something like if you store this level and if you know this level size, then you can just poll these nodes and you can add it to your sum. And after that, whenever I poll this node, then I will just add this childs to my queue. So such that I will finish this level, and generically I will store this next level nodes such that I will traverse level by level. So you will see that part in the uh, code parts because I could not explain that now. So we need to solve this problem. If you really want, I will explain this queue mechanism, how it will work. So for now, let's keep it simple and real. Okay. So this is how you need to do, and that will makes our problem 90% solve. So we need to return the level number, right? Level number which is lowest. Ideally, it is the first level number which is having highest sum among all these levels. So that is what they are asking. So for that, if you know this level order traversal, you can easily do the process. So let's try to code this up if you can get or not. So this is a function they have given tree node root. So they clearly mentioned that you will be given root of a binary tree. So let's take the approach that we have discussed. So we need a queue data structure with tree node because we don't want to complicate this. So let's take tree node only. Queue is equal to new linked list. Now I will add my root element to queue. So I will do the process until I need to visit all the nodes, right? So for that purpose, I start with a loop while queue is not empty. So every time I need to take the length, right? So for that purpose, I will take int s is equal to queue dot size. So if you know level order traversal, this might make sense for you. So I'll just start a loop int I equal to 0, I is less than yes, I plus plus, and I'll try to poll one by one node. So let's take tree node temp is equal to q dot poll. So once I poll the node, I need to add its corresponding childs to my queue. So if temp dot left not not is equal to null, then I'll add it to my queue dot add of temp dot left. So if the right child is not empty, I need to add temp dot left, temp dot right not is equal to null, then queue dot add of temp dot right. So this is how we will do this level order traversal. So as per our problem constraints, so let's consider this. We need to store the sum of each level, right? So for that purpose, I'll just say take sum, and whenever I pull a node, I'll add this value to my sum. So sum plus is equal to temp dot value. Yeah. So after that, I need to store each. I need to store answer. For that purpose, I will store answer is equal to 0, and I need to store max. Max is equal to integer dot min underscore value, and I need to know count. Okay. So if the sum is greater than my max, then I should definitely update my max. Max is equal to sum, and I should have also update my answer. Answer is equal to count. So here every time I'll increment my count. So at the end, I will just return my answer. Yeah, I think it is correct. Let's try to submit. Yeah, just okay. Yeah, it is giving correct. Let's try to submit. It is accepting. So this is how you need to solve this problem. So make sure if you don't know about level order traversal, try to understand it, because this is something that depends on the understanding of trees, in which you need to understand about traversals in the trees. So try to get that concept clear first, then try to solve this problem. That will solve your problem.